Good, thank you. As I said last week, if there are any, if there are any difficulties that you might have, please make sure that you tell me. Just send me a message, maybe factorizing or maybe any other lesson. As I said last week, if there are any difficulties, you can just type it to me and send it to me, right? Yeah. Because we have to do the lesson. Whatever that is difficult for you, just let me know. Children that are there, please tell me if you want whatever the lesson that you find uncomfortable. Maybe parameters, square root, fractions, binomial expressions, area, factors of quadratic expressions, triangles, inverse proportions, data, representation, least common multiples, multiple of algebraic expressions. Anything that you have difficulties in grade 10 first term, please make sure that you ask from me right now. Based on the questions that you might have, I will continue the lesson. So please make sure that you ask them right now. And you can ask or type me. Triangles and direct proportions, right? Fine. Yeah, it's the thing is, Dulani, we can't do papers because I have not given you a paper. Even if I have, without you doing it in the first hand, it's difficult. No? So we'll start off with triangles. Triangles is pretty easy, but since children have difficulties in triangles, we'll see. Triangles one, right? Okay. Now let's try to understand the lesson triangles. Now the first, now this particular part in triangles, I'm telling you, I'm teaching you just to make sure that you understand the theory. What is the theory? Exterior angle is equal to addition of interior opposite angles. Now, this is the first theory that we are going to learn. Exterior angle is equal to addition of interior opposite angles. Now, let's see whether this is actually as much difficult as you guys think it is. This is not like you need not necessarily be that difficult, but let's see. Let's take some random numbers and get this done with. Right, I have a triangle and I'm extending this angle over here. If this angle is x, and this angle is y. We know that x plus y is equal to 180. Exterior angle y, right? This, so we can write exterior angle plus x is exterior angle. What is our exterior angle? Y. I want to emphasize on the fact that this is the exterior angle because this is the guy that we are going to take into use when calculating. So this is basically angles on a straight line add up to 180. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So we know that x plus y is 180. Just we'll take these values as 65. Let's take this as 60. So what is the value of x now? Hi children, tell me, what is the value of x? You can talk. You can unmute yourselves and you can talk. No issue. What is the value of x, children? Huh? We know that x plus 65 plus 60 is equal to 180. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. Basically, we know that x plus 125, x is equal to 180 minus 125, x is 55 degrees. So we'll highlight this 125 for no reason, just to have it as such. So what is my value of y then? X is known, 55 plus y is 180, y is 180 minus 55, y is again 125. We do see some clear value here, 125. We do understand that these two angles, the value of y is indeed equal to the addition of these two. Exterior angle is equal to addition of interior opposite angles. Rather than taking the value directly, rather than explaining it to you in the most mathematical way, I thought of taking two random values and proving the fact for you all. This is the easiest possible way for us to get a calculation done. So, children, please take this down. We will try to finish off triangles as fast as possible. Please take it down, and if you have any other concerns, please let me know.